going for a walk around the neighborhood. It's 70 degrees out. It's nice and green. Look at all this beauty, God's creation. Amazing looking, beautiful. So stay with me on here while we walk around the neighborhood together. In July, it's going to be a lot warmer than this. It's going to be hot. That dog right there in the fence over there always starts barking at me when I walk by. Remember, folks, don't litter. See, he's barking at me. Little cute doggy though. Look at all this beautiful green. I know I don't have any videos of me walking around the neighborhood because I don't bring my phone with me. Maybe I should make that a habit now because of how beautiful it is out here, you know, and show people the beauty of God's creation. Birds chirping, squirrels running around in the leaves in the woods. Look how beautiful this is. I do want to go somewhere. I don't have the money, but I would want to go somewhere like you see on Google Images, like the places that have like huge green fields, like what is it, Across the Horizon it's called, or something, like where all you can see is green, like green hills and everything, and waterfalls. Hoo-wee. Smell horse dump in the wind. You guys know I make those space videos, those videos of me praising God for his creation. When I find pictures of the Milky Way and everything on Instagram, on my screen recorder, I will do one of those videos of, you know, Google Images or Instagram photos of the beautiful waterfalls, the beautiful mountains and green horizons and everything of God's awesome creation. Oh man. Nature is beautiful, but it does stay beautiful when it's dreadfully hot outside. But you can't typically go outside and view the nature when it's like 97 degrees outside. It's just too hot. And that's exactly what it's going to be here in North Carolina in July. I'm in Burlington, North Carolina, and it gets that hot. North, you're closer to the North Pole, and it still gets dreadfully hot. I'm glad I'm not, like, in Las Vegas. Look at those. I don't know what those purple flowers are called. They look like lavender. Look how high up that bird is. That bird's like 1,000 feet. And then there's these ones over here. But that other one is like super high up. I hear an airplane in the sky, and I thought that was the airplane I was hearing. There's no clouds, and I can't even see where the airplane's at. It's too high up to even see. That's how loud their engines are. They're so high up that you can't see them, but you can still hear them. There's a train track right there. Look, more of those lavender looking. It's 70 degrees out today. This morning. It is kind of heaty out here, kind of hot, because when I went outside, this was cold. And now it's not that cold anymore. But again, it's going to be dreadfully hot in July. Like over 97 degrees at least. So I gotta make sure what I eat so I don't gain any weight, because I ain't going walking around 97 degrees. Ooh. yeah, it's kind of warm out here. Not too bad in 70-ish. But if I had no AC in my house, that would be terrible. Even when it was like 70 degrees outside. And these are not really Yeezys either. The Sply Yeezys. I got these on DHgate, I think, or AliExpress in 2018. So they're fakes, but they still do the job because they're not falling apart after like 5.5 years, so that's good. Nice sky. And that wind is nice too. Thank you, Jesus. We have a sign for it. Glad their dog is not out today. He's protective of his property. And he barks at anybody who goes by. Possibly if you get too close to their house, even when you're not stepping in their lawn, he will run at you. I don't think he'll bite though. I think he'll just try to scare you off. And let me tell you, it works. It works. Oh, there he is, but he's inside. Here's my house. My beautiful little house. And there you guys have it.